Hello friends, very good morning. A hearty welcome to my YouTube channel and myself Dr. M.H. Annaya. Friend, in today's video, we are going to learn about the projection of the frustum of a square pyramid. So as the name indicates, it is a frustum of a square pyramid. So it will have a square base and a square top. And this is obtained when a square pyramid is cut by a horizontal section plane which is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So let us see what is the question we have for today's video. The frustum of a square pyramid having side of base 40 and side of the top edge as 30 mm with height 50 mm rests on HP on one of its lateral surfaces. So friends, the frustum of a square pyramid will have four transverse surfaces or lateral surfaces, and all these are trapeziums of the given side. So this is having a size of how much? It is given as 30, and the larger one at the bottom it has got 40. So friends, we will place the frustum on HP such that one of the edges of the base is parallel perpendicular to VP and obtain its top view and front view. Friends, remember whenever you have got a frustum of a pyramid resting on HP, the top surface of the frustum will have exactly similar to that of the bottom face, excepting for the dimension. For example, if you have a square pyramid, the frustum of that will have a square top depending on the height. If it is a pentagonal pyramid, you are going to get a pentagon here in place of a square. If it is a rectangular pyramid, you will have a rectangular on the outer periphery. Inside you will have a smaller rectangle. So friends, let us keep or place the pyramid, that is the frustum of the pyramid on HP such that one of the sides of the bottom face is perpendicular to VP and obtain its front view and top view. So let us commence from the top view. So here I have constructed two concentric squares, one of size 30 mm. The outer side has got a dimension of 40 millimeter. And friends, in the front view, you are going to have this dimension as 30 millimeter, and dimensions at the bottom will have 40 millimeter because SQ 40 means all this is equal to 40 SQ, 40 mm. And friends, you have got the front view, you have got the top view. Next comes to location of this, the trapezoidal face. So friends, all these are trapeziums having dimensions 30 by 40. So in this frustum of square pyramid, you will have four lateral surfaces, and all these are trapeziums having base 40, and at the top will have a dimension of 30 millimeter with the given height. The height is given to be 50 millimeter, that you can see in the question. Next friends, if you observe the front view, the last line 34CD has got 4 points on it, and hence it represents a rectangular face or a trapezoidal face, because we know very well in the front view it is trapezoidal. So here also it is going to be the lateral surface, a trapezium or a trapezoidal surface which will have two parallel sides, trapezoidal. And friends, after placing this on HP, you can see here, this is resting on HP. Figure number 1 is exactly equal to figure number 2, and hence here, whatever the dimensions you are written here, they are exactly of the same as that of the first figure. Now friends, when this is resting on this face, that is CD34, if you look from the top, friends, you will be able to see the complete bottom of the frustum of the square pyramid. That is to say, you will be able to see A, B, C, D completely, and hence I have projected lines from there and obtain this rectangle ABCD. That is by drawing vertical line from A, horizontal line from here. That is, this is A comma B, and this is C, and this is D. For the top edge is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, this is 3, and this is number 4. Same thing I have already drawn here. And when you look from the top, you'll be able to see the complete bottom that appears as a rectangle with reduced width and height same as that of the original. This is going to be 40 again, whereas the lateral dimension gets reduced. So this is how you obtain, friends. And here, for this top face, you will be able to see the edge 1, 2 directly. So 1, 2 I have shown by dark line, whereas 3 and 4 are not visible. That is 3 and 4. So this is not visible. Hence I have shown by dotted line. And also you can see, friends, in the top view, you can see line 1A, line 2B. So line 1 to A, line 2 to B, I have shown by dark lines. And if you observe the line frame, this is 4 and D. When you join D to 4 or 4 to D, it is intersecting this line AB. You know that AB is already a full line, and hence this has to be a dotted line. And I have told you, friends, you must have got in your mind that whenever two lines intersect, suppose this is a full line and this has to be a dotted line. When one is a visible line, the other intersecting line should be an invisible line compulsorily. This is valid for any of these solids. So friends, this 3, 4 I have shown here. Similarly, when you are joining 2 to C, 3 to C, it is intersecting the edge AB at this point. You know it's already a full line, a visible line. So this has to be a dotted line. Friends, we have got the top view of the frustum when it is resting on 3, 4 CD, which is basically a trapezoidal surface like the one we have got. This is the trapezoidal surface. Similarly, we will have this also in the same way. Now friends, finally, it is being said in the problem on one of its lateral surfaces with a longer edge parallel of the base parallel to VP and nearer to it. If you observe these, friends, all these four edges, namely A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are all, perpendicular to VP. But in the question it is said, we have to redraw this figure number, say 3, as figure number 4, such that one of the base edge of base parallel to VP and nearer to it. So I have to redraw this figure such that CD is parallel to VP or AB is parallel to VP very obviously, and that should be nearer to the XY line. Near to XY line means nearer to VP. So friends, after obtaining this figure exactly similar to this, and we are going to project all these to the front view and obtain the final front view. And this will give you the final top view of the pyramid where it is lying on one of the trapezoidal surface 3, 4 CD. This is 3, 4 DC or CD. So now this is seen as a line. Hence, the frustum of the square pyramid is lying on one of the trapezoidal surfaces on HP. Friends, after this, we will obtain all these points of the base first. So to get that, I am going to draw a vertical line from a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect is A dash. Similarly, draw a vertical line from B, a horizontal line from B dash. The point where those two intersect is B dash. Likewise, friends, you can obtain C dash and D dash. This, the rectangle, whatever you have got here, is the base of the frustum of the pyramid. Similarly, friends, you have to draw the projectors from all these top face. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 of that. And here friends, we have got 1 here. Draw a vertical line from 1, a horizontal line from 1. They meet at this point 1. Similarly, horizontal line from 2, vertical line from 2, they will meet here. Similarly, 3 and 4 you can obtain. And friends, since this is a tapered surface, that is 1 to AP is a tapered surface, and you will be able to see all these completely. So 1, 2, 1, 2 and AB. This is the trapezoidal surface, one of the trapezoidal surface. And friends, now this figure will give you completely what is called the front view of the frustum of the square pyramid. And friends, with this, what do you call the procedure for obtaining the projections of the frustum of a square pyramid, I'm going to end this session now. And before that, friends, please go through the complete video. And after going through the complete video, if you like this video, do share this video with all your friends without fail. Friends, I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.